Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 21, OV 56. शिर्डीचा नाही कोणी परिचित, तेथ मी सर्वथैव अपरिचित. नाना भेटता होईल उचित, जरी क्वचित योगतो. I do not know anybody in Shirdi. I will be a complete stranger there. If I meet Nana, it will be beneficial to me, though it is a remote possibility. ऐसे विचार करीत करीत बैसले ते अग्निरथात. दुसरे दिवशी पावले शिर्डीत, नाना तै अर्थात नाहीत. Thinking thus, he boarded the train and reached Shirdi the next day. Of course, Nana was not there. हे जे दिनी यावया निघाले, नाना ते दिनी जावया गेले. तेणे हे बहु हताश झाले, अति हिरमुसले मनात. The day he left for his trip was the day when Nana had left Shirdi. By this, he was disheartened and felt great disappointment. असो मग तयास तेथे भेटले, तयाचे दुसरे स्नेही भले. तयांनी साईचे दर्शन करविले, हेतू पुरविले मनाचे. So be it. He met another friend, a nice man, who took him for Sai's darshan and fulfilled his wish. दर्शने पायी जडले चित्त, घातला साष्टांग दंडवत. शरीर झाले पुलकांकित, नयनी स्रवत प्रेमाश्रू. The moment he set his eyes on him, he was overwhelmed with faith, and he prostrated himself. The hairs on his whole body stood on end, and tears of love flowed from his eyes. मग ते होता क्षणैक स्थित, काय तयासी बाबा वदत. त्रिकालज्ञ मुख करोनी सस्मित, सावचित्त ते परिसा. While he was thus standing, hear carefully what Baba said to him with a smile of understanding, as he was omniscient. कानडी आप्पाचे ते सांगणे, जैसे रेडिया संगे घाट चढणे. ऐसे न येथील सोपे चालणे, अंग झिजविणे अनिवार्य. The path of this place is not so easy as the teachings of the Kanaris Appa or even as the buffalo ride in the Ghats. There is no alternative but to put in your best exertions. करणी पडता खुणेची अक्षरे, अंतरंग अधिकची गहिवरे. पूर्वील सत्पुरुष वचन खरे, प्रत्यंतरे ठरले की. When he heard these significant words, he was overwhelmed with emotions and realized that the words of the holy man whom he had met previously had proved correct. मग जोडूनिया उभय हस्ता, साईपदी ठेविला माथा. म्हणती कृपा करा साईनाथा, मज अनाथा पदरी घ्या. Then he folded his hands together and put his head at the feet of Sai. He said, "Have mercy on me, Sainatha. Accept me an orphan at your feet." आपणची माझे महापुरुष, निश्चळ दास ग्रंथोपदेश. आज मज कळला अशेष, निर्विशेष सुखबोध. You alone are my great saint and guardian. Today I have fully understood the teachings in the book of Nishchal with all its significance and divine meaning. कुठे वडगाव कुठे शिर्डी, काय ही सत्पुरुष महापुरुष जोडी. किती ती स्वल्पाक्षर भाषा उघडी, उपदेश निरवडी कैसी हे. Where's